What is the door symbol on the dashboard? This looks like a bird's eye view of a car with one or more doors open. It means that one or more doors are not fully closed or latched. What is trip A and trip B? Trip meter A can record the distance from the point of origin. Trip meter B can record the distance from where the fuel tank is filled. How to reset the trip A? Click and hold the trip reset button until you see trip A on the center screen. Your trip reset button will be close to the odometer. Hold the trip reset button and turn the key to the off position. How to change from km to miles. Press and release trip button to switch the top portion of multi-information screen between trip A, trip B, odo. Hold trip button in. Once the odo displays, the speedometer display will start switching between mph and km/h modes. Passenger seat storage. This is the upper and lower storage box, passenger side with press button. Cigarette lighter, 12V power socket location. A car cigarette lighter has a nominal voltage rating of 12 volts but is limited to 10.2 volts with a maximum current of 10 amps. It can efficiently function as an outlet in cars and is used to provide power to a wide range of devices, such as radios, mobile phones, and laptops. Center storage tray box with base cup holder. Does Does 2007 Prius have aux input? Below the armrest for personal playback devices like an iPod, simply plug the device into the mini plug socket and press the aux button to listen through the car's audio system. Steering wheels adjustment. Before you begin, make sure your transmission is in park and the driver's seat is positioned where you like. Flip out the release lever under the steering column. Lift interior upper storage space, good for keep sunglasses. LED interior dome map light bulb. Where is the map light in a car? Map lights are one of the modern car's most prevalent interior car lights. Their primary purpose is reading maps, especially in regions without GPS coverage. Seat belt shoulder height adjustment. Can I turn off AC while driving? Turning off the car's AC while driving can indeed affect the engine's performance, because the compressor is connected to the engine through a belt. So when the AC is turned off, the engine's load can decrease. And final guide is how to start a Toyota Prius with a dead battery in the Smart Key fob. This will work with any Toyota with this starting system, including Camry and Avalon.